Hi guys, today I'm going to help you out with a third grade skill just to kind of see where you're at and to get you in the habit of going on to IXL. So all I have done is I've gone into Canvas and clicked on my assignment. Today is August 27th, so I click on the skill. It's going to open it up in a new window for me. I'm on G.1, which is the skill I want to be on. Ooh, that's running a little slow today, but we'll see if it catches up. All right, so all we're doing is simple multiplication facts. I bet you guys are whizzes at this, but I always want to have an IXL video to make things easier for you. So 4 times 4. Now, you might be like, Ms. Hickam, that's 16. I totally know that. Great, type it in. But if you don't, I want to show you this cool trick for all of your skills to make it so you're not making huge long lines that go up and down your paper and take a lot of space. So I'm going to start by making a little tic-tac-toe board. Now, once I've made the tic-tac-toe board, that's where I'm going to count them, because I know you know what 4 times 10 is. 4 times 10, 40. But this way you can fill in all of these gaps. So you count by fours, 4, 8, 12. And the great thing with fours is you can actually sing them to the same tune as row, row, row your boat. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. But see how now I filled them in and they take up a lot less space than trying to have a huge, long line that kind of goes all over your paper. And now I know that 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, but I also know that I'm looking for 4 times 7, which is a little bit trickier, 3, 6, 7, so it's 28. All you have to do is make this little tic-tac-toe board, gives you a cheat sheet and shows me that you know how to show your work. And for problems like this, it helps to be able to show your work. And this is an easy way to show, I already got those facts down. And like I said, maybe for fours, it's not that big of a deal, but when you get to harder numbers, it might be. 4 times 5, I've already got my fours up, so that's easy. 4 times 5 is 20. Just go straight to that spot. 5 times 2, you can do it on your fingers too, but I like it once so I don't have to keep rewriting or keep counting and counting on my fingers every time. So 2 times 5 is 10. This is a pretty simple skill. It's only got 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, and 10s. Those are the skills they're worried about right now. I just want to make sure you can get onto IXL, you can get it done. And I also want to make sure you understand how it works. All right, bye guys.